So Day with a Doctor is an introduction to the healthcare workforce. Our high school students come from all over North and Central Louisiana, and they explore health careers that are opportunities at LSU Health Shreveport. They're going to do a lot of simulations, so they will get to learn and explore Harvey heart sounds. They're going to learn how to suture. They're going to have an intubation and IV access station. And the culminating event, I think, will be the anatomy lab, where they will get a chance to see what our first-year medical students are doing right now. So lots of hands-on activities for them. Our medical students have really volunteered their time and their talent to serve as tour guides, to serve as leaders at our different stations, along with our residents and our staff. They are also going to sit on a student panel at lunch just to answer all the questions that our high school students may have about becoming a physician. So we know that we are in a health services shortage area here in our state. And we know the earlier we expose students to health careers, the earlier their interests will grow. And so this Day with the Doctors program presents an opportunity for students to see all the different ways they can be involved in healthcare. And it's so important that they're exposed at an early age so that we can nurture their interest, and hopefully it will lead them down the path to medicine.